Southland has been in business for about 75 years. We're nationwide. We specialize in a lot of data centers, hospitals, and special projects. This project we are currently working on, it's a Albina Library in Portland, Oregon. It's an all wood structure building. This project is due to be opened up in sometime in May. We're definitely one family. We work as a team on everything. If you need something, there's always a resource or somebody to help you. So I chose to start using Gripple products because, well, one, they came to me and talked to me because I actually never heard of them. They showed me the product, and I mean, my first thought was this works really well. Up front, it was obvious that it was a great product, it worked good. And then I think the bonuses were the people that I'm working with. If I don't know what I'm ordering, I just make a phone call to anybody with Gripple and they find exactly what I need and make sure I am getting what I ask for. They respond quickly to me.
Gripple products are so easy to use from day one on this job with no training. All it took was about 30 seconds of me trying out all the different facets, the bracket, the Gripple clamps, and I was ready to install. So Gripple has exceeded all expectations for what a piping system can be supported by, and Gripple has created the new standard for productivity and efficiency.
The reason our business has been so successful is, honestly, I think it's the people. Between working with people like Gripple and ourselves with Southland, trying new things and being creative and thinking outside the box, I think is what's made us a very successful business.